sir, I would like to ask the Honorable CM whether there was an actual ban in writing, or was there a verbal instructions given due to which all recruitment was kept pending? What was the reason for the same, and how many vacancies has this created? And if there was a ban, when did you lift it? And would all these vacancies that had to be filled up affect the functioning of the government in any way?
That means only where invitation or applications were called in and no exam or no computer test, nothing was carried out. Only the applications have been received and maybe applications have been processed, they are treated as cancelled. In all other cases where the process of conduct of written examination or computer test, proficiency test and or viva voce interview as applicable has been carried out, the vacancies as notified in the advertisement shall be permitted to be filled by following due procedure. That means you can complete the procedure. If you have taken an exam, like for example in many of the police departments, some 16 different varieties, exams are conducted, physical was conducted, they can proceed. That means there the ban has been lifted. Provided that in a case of faulty recruitment procedure, the de novo process as per current vacancies available and with revised instruction be followed. One or two cases it has been noted that the procedure which they have done halfway is not correct. So there they have to start again, but they are permitted to start again. The department thinks that the procedure is faulty, they can cancel the full exercise.
Would you consider reserving or considering some jobs which are there on compassionate grounds?
There is no ban on compassionate. There are about 362, I think, if I am not mistaken, cases of compensate appointment which are in the process and they are not been delivered only because the vacancies available and the qualification the person have does not match. Freedom fighter compassionate appointments are being considered for one shot clearances.
Thank you, sir. Goa आणि बायल आणि दोन भुरग्यां बायल सामकी SSC कितें जालें अशी कांय करना घो मेलो घो सडनली अटॅक आयलो आनी मेलो एकलो एक्सिडेंटान मेलो अशें बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आसपाक शकता.
नॉर्मली कॉम्पन्सेशन आता सरकारी नोकराक ताजें हाजें रिजनेबल मेळटा म्हणजे एकदम बिकट आसता अशी ना. पण हांवें आतां एक सांगलें की आय एम क्लियरिंग द फूल लिस्ट. I am trying to clear the full 362 list, maybe within 1 year. Less than 1 year period, we will clear the list.
Some are waiting for promotion, some are promoted but in the same departments. So how will this check and balances, I would like the...
We are putting in HRD specialist on all government department, कारण ARD department कडे सगळे individually handle करपाक जायना. Department wise program will be published by 30th September, how we are going for each department. There are departments where there is shortage. Creation na म्हणून shortage झाल्या.